Hello, this is the takedown process of the Bell M1911A1. Okay, first to start off, let's first take the magazine out. Magazine is now out. Let's make sure that there's no rounds in the chamber. Promise me there's not. Now let's take the slide, push it back to this first notch, push the slide release button out of the gun. Now because of that, the gun is now able to be fully disassembled. Take the slide and push forward. Don't need this part anymore. Okay, now you got your simple stuff, your spring assist, spring guide, seal, hop up, barrel, such and such. Okay, to start, basically what you're going to want to first start doing is take your spring guide, take it and push it out of the gun, which it is up on this little thing right here. That's how long your spring is for it. What you're going to want to do next is this little button right here. Take it, push that out. With that out, you want to take this, rotate to the side, and pull out. With all that out, now you can take your barrel, hop up assembly, and take that out. Now I'm not quite sure about taking the seal out here. I don't want to mess around with it because I don't want to accidentally break it. Even if I did break it, I had one more piece. I have a backup one for it, but I'd rather save that backup one for later. So with all of it apart, let's put it back together. Simply reverse the process. I'm not going to break any records here by doing this as slow. And this, make sure that it does line up on this rail here. And this little pin right here, push down. Take your pin, push it back through. And you are done. So, that's how you take it apart. Thank you for watching this. Comment, rate on it, and please subscribe to my channel. And watch the further videos that are going to come up. Okay, thank you.